Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video we are reviewing HARDIE Brilliance facial oil. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare and makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. Okay, so this is how it looks. I have my phone. I'm going to read you guys the claims about this facial oil. So it claims it is a lightweight formula oil, very lightweight, and it claims that it has lavender extract, orange extract, mint oil, almond oil, olive oil, and grapeseed oil and sunflower oil. And it also claims that it is suitable for all skin types and is vegan. It has vegan and cruelty free, and it has no synthetic fragrance and artificial ingredients. It has no mineral oil, so everything is clean in this facial oil. It retails for $50 and it's available at Amazon and Target. Okay, so this is it, the Brilliance facial oil. So I'm gonna show you it. Take some, has a dropper, of course, dropper, and I'm going to drop a couple of oil right here and put it onto my skin. So, and another thing is, it says you go use it on bare clean skin, or you could apply a couple of drops into your moisturizer. It smells good. It smells good. It has like a, smells like soap, like shower gel soap. Smells like shower gel soap. It has a shower gel soap fragrance to it, and it smells very sweet. It has a sweet sour gel scent to it. So this is perfect now for the winter, and it says suitable for all skin type, but this is not going to be perfect if you have oily skin. It's not going to be perfect for you for the summertime. It's only going to be perfect for you for the winter time, especially now for dry skin. My honest opinion about this HARDIE Brilliant Face Oil, the first thing I love about it, it is very gentle on the skin, and it's lightly fragranced, so it has like a lightly fragrance, sweet shower gel scent. That's right. It smells like shower gel, but it's not a powerful shower gel scent. It's lightly fragrances, which is amazing. And I love the fact it has like about 5 or 6 different types of oils in it, which is perfect for the skin. So it definitely hydrates and plumps the skin. It is amazing. I love the fact that it's suitable for all skin type, and it's very gentle. I really love it. So it leaves my skin nice and glowy. Really like it. It is amazing. And another thing is, if you don't want to wear this facial oil alone, it also claims that you could take your moisturizer and put like 1 or 2 drops into your moisturizer. So it's great. I really love it. I love the fact this is clean. So this is a clean beauty product that is available at Target and Amazon. So the moment you've been waiting for. Yes, I feel that this Brilliant facial oil is worth it, because you are getting clean ingredients in this facial oil, and it's suitable for all skin types, which is great. And I love the fact that it's great for now for the winter. Definitely hydrates and plump the skin well. Really like leaving my skin nice and glowing. And again, I love the scent to it. The scent is very lightly fragrant, which is amazing. So remember, this retails for $50. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this skincare review. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe right here over here, and I'll see you in my next video.